Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to change ad spending limits on Facebook. Alright, it's very simple guys. Now let's get started. Now if you want to do that, the first step you have to take here is to click on the menu icon at the top right corner of your screen if you're using Android, or at the bottom right corner of your screen if you're using an iPhone. Now once you tap on that, you have to go to settings. Alright, my settings is just there at the top right corner. In your case, you can find your settings around here if you're using Android, just right here. Right, let me click on that one and click on settings. Now once you're right here, you just have to scroll down to this point. You're going to find ads payment. Alright, there are different ways to actually do this, but if you're doing this directly from your Facebook app, then this is how you can do it. Now once you open this, just scroll down to this point. You're going to find account spending limit here. Tap on that, and here you're going to find your account spending limit, your current account spending limit. Alright, or if you've not seen anything here, you can just set one immediately. Alright, or if you want to change it, still the same process. Click on this edit icon at the top right corner. Then you get the option to either change or remove. Click on change. Now once you click on that, you can now change it to any figure. For example, I'm going to increase it to 5,000. Alright, then I'm going to click on done and save at the bottom of my screen. And after that, that will be saved for me. So guys, this is how you can change your spending limit, or set a spending limit on Facebook. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this.